Have you ever wondered about the mysteries lurking beneath the calm surface of the Bermuda Triangle? This enigmatic patch of the Atlantic Ocean, tucked between the coastlines of Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has long been a source of intrigue and bewilderment. A seemingly serene expanse of sea and sky, yet beneath its tranquil facade, it hides a dark secret. Known to mariners and aviators as the Devil's Triangle, the Bermuda Triangle has been associated with an uncanny number of inexplicable occurrences. From the sudden disappearance of ships and aircraft to bizarre compass malfunctions, to the recorded sighting of strange ethereal lights, this is a place where the ordinary rules of nature seem to be suspended, a place where logic and reason have often been left floundering in its enigmatic wake. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a hotbed of mystery didn't just appear overnight. It's a status that has been decades, perhaps even centuries in the making. It's been the subject of countless books, movies, and documentaries, each one adding a new layer to the already thick tapestry of mystery and speculation. Over the years, some of the world's most advanced vessels and aircraft have vanished without a trace within this treacherous triangle. The USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship, disappeared in 1918 with over 300 souls on board. Flight 19, a squadron of 5 Navy bombers, vanished in 1945 during a routine training operation. These are just a few examples of the many strange occurrences that have taken place in the Bermuda Triangle. And yet, despite countless investigations and scientific studies, we are no closer to unraveling the truth than we were when these mysteries first came to light. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's most enduring enigmas, a puzzle that continues to baffle even the brightest minds. The Bermuda Triangle has captivated the world's curiosity since its discovery. But when did this fascination begin, and why? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, we will attempt to answer these questions and more. Join us as we venture into the heart of this enigmatic triangle and try to unravel the truth behind its many mysteries. To understand the enigma, we must delve into the past, tracing the timeline of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western Atlantic between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been a subject of fascination and fear for centuries. Its notoriety, however, only became widespread in the mid-20th century. But let's rewind the clock a bit. The triangle's early history is as murky as the waters it encompasses. It was Christopher Columbus, on his pioneering voyage to the New World in 1492, who first noted strange occurrences in the area. He reported erratic compass readings and a mysterious light, incidents that were perhaps the first hints at the triangle's peculiar nature. Fast forward to the 19th century, the triangle started gaining a reputation for the inexplicable loss of ships. In 1881, the Ellen Austin, an American schooner, encountered a derelict ship within the triangle's bounds. The crew that boarded the abandoned vessel mysteriously vanished, leaving no trace behind. This incident marked one of the earliest disappearances linked to the Bermuda Triangle. As we step into the 20th century, the triangle's infamy grew. Perhaps the most notable event was the disappearance of the USS Cyclops in 1918. With over 300 souls on board, its loss remains the single largest non-combat loss of life in U.S. naval history. What's more, the ship, along with its crew, vanished without sending a single distress signal. The list of strange happenings continued into the mid-20th century and beyond, with aircraft and ships disappearing without a trace. Theories began to circulate, ranging from magnetic anomalies to extraterrestrial involvement, each more intriguing than the last. As the years passed, the mystery only deepened, with more puzzling disappearances adding to the triangle's eerie reputation. The Bermuda Triangle, a silent witness to these vanishing acts, continues to defy explanation, its secrets locked beneath the waves. Within its murky waters, the Bermuda Triangle has swallowed countless vessels and aircraft, leaving no trace behind. The stories of these disappearances have become the stuff of legend, inspiring awe, fear, and fascination. Among these, some stand out for their scale, their mystery, and their influence on the Bermuda Triangle's reputation. One such case is that of the USS Cyclops, a massive ship that vanished without a trace in March 1918. Carrying over 300 crew members and a heavy cargo of manganese ore, the Cyclops was the largest ship in the U.S. Navy at the time. Its disappearance, without any distress signal or wreckage, remains one of the largest losses of life in a non-combat situation in the history of the U.S. Navy. The fate of the Cyclops and her crew is a mystery that continues to perplex historians and researchers. Another famous disappearance is that of Flight 19, a group of 5 torpedo bombers that vanished during a routine training exercise in December 1945. Led by an experienced pilot, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, the squadron reported becoming disoriented and losing sight of land. Despite extensive search and rescue efforts, neither the planes nor the 14 crew members were ever found. The disappearance of Flight 19 is perhaps one of the most puzzling incidents associated with the Bermuda Triangle, raising more questions than answers. Then there's the case of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a converted oil tanker that disappeared in February 1963. Carrying 39 crew members and a cargo of molten sulfur, the ship was last heard from near the southern boundary of the Bermuda Triangle. Despite an exhaustive search, only a few life preservers and some debris were ever recovered. These baffling disappearances remain unanswered, fueling various theories about the triangle's true nature. From magnetic anomalies to extraterrestrial activity, these tales of vanished ships and planes continue to captivate our collective imagination, keeping the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle alive and unsolved. The Bermuda Triangle has been a breeding ground for numerous theories, each more intriguing than the last. From the realms of science to the world of the supernatural, a myriad of explanations have been proposed, each aiming to solve the riddle of this enigmatic region. Let's start with some of the scientific theories. One such proposes that large concentrations of methane hydrates on the ocean floor might be responsible for the disappearances. The theory postulates that when these methane hydrates become destabilized, they can create bubbles of gas that are capable of sinking ships by decreasing the water's density. Similarly, these gas eruptions could theoretically disrupt aircraft engines, leading to crashes. Another scientific explanation points to geomagnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This could potentially cause navigational confusion, leading to vessels veering off course and meeting an untimely end. But the Bermuda Triangle isn't just home to scientific speculation, far from it. The realm of the fantastical has also proposed its fair share of theories. Some believe that the region is a hotspot for extraterrestrial activity, with alien abductions being offered as a reason for the mysterious disappearances. Others suggest that the Bermuda Triangle could be a gateway to another dimension or a wormhole through which vessels inadvertently pass, never to be seen again. Then there are those who propose that the lost city of Atlantis lies beneath the Bermuda Triangle, its alleged crystal energies causing navigational disruptions and equipment malfunctions. Each of these theories, as fascinating as they may be, brings with it its own set of questions. Can methane hydrates really sink ships and disrupt aircraft engines? Would geomagnetic anomalies be enough to explain the sheer number of disappearances? Could we really be dealing with aliens or portals to other dimensions? And is there any truth to the legend of Atlantis? While these theories offer possible explanations, none have definitively solved the Bermuda Triangle mystery. Despite countless investigations and scientific advancements, the Bermuda Triangle remains an unsolved enigma. Even in the face of modern technology, the Triangle doesn't seem eager to give up its secrets. The past decade has seen a surge in interest and research, with scientists and explorers venturing into the heart of the Triangle to unravel its mysteries. But much like the mariners and pilots who vanished within its boundaries, the answers seem to disappear before we can grasp them. Recently, a team of oceanographers made headlines with their ambitious project to map the ocean floor within the Triangle. They hope to uncover evidence of underwater anomalies or wreckage that might explain the disappearances. Yet, even with cutting-edge sonar technology, their search came up empty. The ocean floor was as mundane as any other patch of the Atlantic. On another front, meteorologists are studying the area's weather patterns for clues. The Triangle is known for its sudden, violent storms, and some believe these could be responsible for the disappearances. Yet, despite extensive research, no conclusive link has been found. Even as we speak, there are teams preparing to delve deeper into the Triangle's depths, driven by a relentless curiosity and a thirst for answers. Every expedition brings us closer to the truth, yet the solution remains tantalizingly out of reach. What keeps us coming back to the Bermuda Triangle is not just the mystery itself, but what it represents. It's a symbol of the unknown, a challenge to our understanding of the world. It invites us to question, to explore, to seek out answers, even when they seem impossible to find. The Bermuda Triangle is more than just a place. It's a puzzle that has captivated us for generations, and its allure is as strong as ever. We are drawn to its enigma, captivated by the unanswered questions it poses. So as we delve deeper into the unknown, let's keep the spirit of exploration alive. Let's continue to question, to wonder, and to seek out the answers that elude us. As we continue to explore the unknown, the Bermuda Triangle stands as a reminder of the enduring mysteries that our world still holds.